Welcome to Vision English Academy.
Good morning, Priya.
Good morning, Naveen.
You look happy today. What's the reason?
Haha. Just feeling fresh today.
Dreams can be funny sometimes. What was your dream about?
I had a dream. I won a lottery in my dream. Then my alarm ruined my happiness.
That's life. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m.
So early? That's impressive.
I like waking up early. It gives me more time to relax. What about you?
I woke up at 7 a.m. after snoozing my alarm 5 times.
Wow, you wake up so late.
No, just once. Okay, 5 times.
Haha. Snoozing alarms should be your hobby.
First thing I do? Check my phone, obviously.
Of course, your phone.
Yes, notifications are more important than brushing.
Notifications won't run away, Naveen.
Okay, I brushed too. Happy now?
You finally brush your teeth. That's good news. Then what?
Then I take a quick shower.
Shower? Oh, do you sing in the shower?
Not always. Sometimes I just stand under the water and overthink life.
Haha! I knew it.
I wear whatever is on top of my wardrobe pile.
What do you wear?
Yeah, ironing is too much effort.
Yeah, ironing is such a task. What's for breakfast?
Breakfast? Mostly coffee and toast.
Parathas are the best.
I love parathas. Invite me next time.
You and your junk food.
I should try healthy food, but pizza is love.
How do you go to work?
I take my bike. What about you?
Bikes are fun but also risky.
Music is a must while traveling.
Do you listen to music on the way?
Same. What's your current favorite song?
That's a nice song.
Ah, good choice. I like that one too.
What happens after you reach work?
Work starts, and I start missing home.
Haha, who doesn't miss home? Coffee break is the only relief.
Yes, coffee breaks save lives.
Lunch is my favorite part of the day.
Homemade food is the best, but street food has my heart.
What do you eat?
I love chaat, but you can't handle spice.
Street food? Always spicy.
Let's test it someday.
I can eat spicy food.
After work, I hit the gym.
After work, I go for a walk.
Workout is necessary to balance all the junk food.
And sometimes I just rest.
Then I come home, take a shower, and relax.
I like watching movies in the evening.
Sometimes I watch TV.
Do you prefer series or movies?
I love watching funny shows.
Same. Series are more addictive.
Movies are nice, but I prefer series.
Dinner time?
My dinner time is around 9 p.m. Biryani is my all-time favorite.
Oh, I love biryani too. And I also love pizza.
I know, right? It's unbeatable.
After dinner, I scroll Instagram.
After dinner, I scroll through Instagram.
Reels are so engaging.
Yes, reels are addictive.
Sometimes I watch funny reels.
Some are hilarious.
Memes make me laugh before sleeping.
I laugh at memes before sleeping.
Then I go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
Finally, I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Before sleeping, I check my phone one last time.
Before sleeping, I check my phone again.
Yes, I do.
Because I might have missed something important.
All right, time to sleep now.
Then I set my alarm, which I will snooze tomorrow.
Good night, Naveen.
And I think about deep life questions.
Haha, maybe I'll win the lottery in my dream again.
Good night, Priya. Sweet dreams. Don't dream about winning the lottery again.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content.